Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to another money episode on the Investor's Check. I'm your host and analyst, Tato. So, moving right along with the business of the day, we're taking a look at what's happening at Amazon. I get happy talking about Amazon, guys, because there's only good news happening at Amazon. Like now, when we read through the news headlines, we can see that Amazon unveils Hello to battle Apple Watch and Fitbit. So, Hello is a new wristband that would rival Apple Watch and Fitbit, and it's fitted with a feature that can measure your sleep temperature and the emotional and your emotional state. Plus, again, it can measure the body fat percentage. So this is good news that's happening at Amazon. We can see Amazon stocks pushing up with all this, and not forgetting again that Amazon has also ordered 1,800 electrical vans from Mercedes-Benz. And yet again, that is not all. They also agreed to purchase 100,000 um, electrical delivery vans from Rivian. So Rivian is a startup automobile company. It's a startup electrical automobile company. So with all this news, we all know that Amazon Amazon will be pushing up, guys. Amazon stocks will be pushing up. Plus, yet again, in addition to all this information, we all know that Amazon's transportation infrastructure is so good. And now a lot of postage service companies feel threatened because Amazon is most likely to tap in that industry also. Okay. So we see big moves happening at Amazon. So moving right along to the charts. Now we go into the technical side of things to analyze how this will push up. So we on Amazon charts now. So we on a daily time frame again. Yeah, we're on a daily time frame now. We we taking a look at what's happening now. We can see Amazon broke out of this ultimate resistance here. We broke out of this ultimate resistance here around the what the $3,335 mark. We can see that Amazon broke out of this ultimate resistance. The ultimate resistance that was around the $3,335 mark. Now that we pushed on the upside of it, we can see a retest happening here. We might see it's most likely to retest here. We can see a retest again on the $335 mark, which will now be our support. Okay, let me take it down to 1 hour time frame so I can break it down to you nicely. This is our 1 hour time frame. We can see a nice breakout of this $335 mark. We might see a retest here to the $335 mark or to the $3,300 mark. Okay, from there on, we will push up, up nicely to, let me see. Let me enlarge this so I can see everything proper. Yeah. So we're gonna see a small drop to this new support around the $3,300 mark. From there on, we push all the way up to the $3,600 mark. So we're going to push all the way to the $3,600 mark, and this would be a move that would be happening for days or a week or two. This is a week or two move. So we're going to push to this next intermediate resistance around this area, around the $3,600 mark. So we're moving from the $3,300 mark key level to the $3,600 mark key level. So this is what I see on Amazon. Plus, I think Amazon stocks are expensive now. 3,000. If we push to $3,600 mark, we might see this is a nice position to get a split, even a 5-for-1 split. This would be a good position to get a 5-for-1 split, because I think a 5-for-1 split of 3,600 would be 7,720. This would be 720. We might get a $720 split if it pushes all the way up to the $3,600 mark. I hope all this information has been useful, guys. Make money from this or learn from your mistakes. Okay, so this is what I see on Amazon. Uh, Plus, again, don't forget to contact the investors check. Uh, the investors check directly on this +27. This +27 is a South African dialing code, guys. On this +27, this +27 represents a 0. So this is 065-967-6898. And don't forget to click the subscribe button on that YouTube channel we have. Check out the Investors Check YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you are alerted whenever we post new content. Please get a hold of us so you can see what we do on the private side of things. Also, we have a lot of trades that have been going into profit. Now let me update also on what has been happening on that Investors Check podcast. We know that we took the Microsoft stocks or Microsoft shares, right? So when we took that Microsoft stocks, we knew that we were pushing all the way up. It's analyzed on that Investors Check podcast, and now I'm updating, guys. What's wrong with this? Okay, now sorted. It has loaded. So we knew that when you check out that Investors Check podcast, we all bought from here. We all bought from here, from the $207 mark per stock, to all the way up to $225 mark. Our $225 mark was supposed to be here, guys. So our TP is hit on that on this Microsoft stocks. So this has been a move that has been pushing up for days. Plus, again, we also took the GBP JPY. GBP JPY currency. We knew that it was pushing up also to the 141.25. We took it's also on that Investors Check podcast, guys. Check out the Investors Check podcast and their videos also. We saw it here. We saw it here after this breakout. After this breakout, we saw it here. We bought here. We took this all the way up to 141.25 area. This is our 141.25 area. Let me see coordinates. Here's it, 141.25 area. Here's our 1. Also on this TP hit. So we have two trades that hit TP. Coordinates 141.25. All this, to prove all this that I'm saying is true, check out that Investors Check podcast, guys. This has been pushing up for the whole week. We bought here, and then we pushed up for the whole week, guys. So I'm sorry about the noise outside. I hear a dog barking. So this also hit TP. Then again, we analyzed the USD ZAR. USD ZAR, it's also on that podcast. So we all knew that when we took the USD ZAR, we took it here on a daily. We took it around the 17 Rand 45 cent area. I think it was here, 17 Rand 45 cent area. Here's it. We took it around this area. Then I said it's going all the way to the 16 rand 50 area. We took it around the 17 rand 45 cent area, all the way to the 16 rand 50. Here's the 16 rand 50 area, guys. So we are almost on TP. So everyone can just move their stop losses. Those who have been following this trade can move their stop losses, because I remember we protected some time. We took our stop loss to this area. Now you can move it from this area all the way till here to the 16 rand 65 cents area. So we are just almost on TP, and this is just TP1. It's not our final TP. This is just TP1. Check out that Investors Shack podcast again, guys. Plus, again, we took the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, I remember we said NASDAQ is going all the way to $12,000 mark. I remember I said NASDAQ is going all the way up to the $12,000 mark. So this hit TP again, guys. We took the NASDAQ here. It moved up for days, I think, 2 or 3 days. So we took it here. We saw it here. Then we said, see, this is 1 hour time frame. We bought here. You can check all this that I'm saying to verify. You can verify all this on that YouTube channel, the Investors Shack channel. So this is our $12,000 mark. TP hit again, guys. This is how we do things at Investors Shack. I hope all this has been useful, guys. Take care and enjoy. See you on the next episode, where I'll be analyzing gold, oil, commodities, stocks, currencies, and more. Take care. Enjoy. Go and make profit, guys.